Hello viewers, welcome back to Global Cuisine. Today I'm going to prepare fish majbouse with fresh sea bream. Let's see what are the ingredients that we need to prepare this dish. It's typically a Kuwaiti dish. Basically, in every special occasion they will have this dish in their dining table. To prepare this beautiful rice dish, I have 4 pieces of fresh sea bream, some black pepper, ginger, green chilli, curry leaves, and some turmeric powder. We will do the entire cooking in olive oil. To marinate the fish, we add salt to taste, 1 small piece of ginger, 2 stems of curry leaves, 3 pieces of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of crushed pepper. We crush it all together. Add this, 2 onion julienne cut, little bit of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, olive oil. Heat a pan, add oil, olive oil, and pan fry the fish. We will add the remaining marination to this. Fry the fish in a slow fire with the remaining ingredients. So when you cook the rice, you will use the same remaining ingredients and the same oil. So the rice will have a good flavor of the fish. It's typically a home style cooking. There will be no color or artificial ingredients being added to this dish. We'll add few turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, and we saute the rice very well. Adding hot water as needed. Salt as needed. When the water level goes down, arrange the fish on the top of the rice. Keep covered and keep cooking covered, and keep it on the slow flame for 20 minutes. The dish will be ready to serve. Prepared fish majbouse is ready. The rice and the fish are cooked perfectly. Try at your home. Share your comment. Like, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy this section.